are super happy with Istueta. They did a fantastic job with our roof. I wanted to call a couple different companies to get different quotes, because when you're doing such a big investment to your home, it's important to do your research. And I have to say, comparing them, Istueta, to the other companies, there was no comparison. Istueta came out and gave me such a professional quote, such a thorough, detailed projection of what the job was going to look like, that the other companies that I got quotes from, it was no comparison. Like I said, that blew us away right away.
Very professional, as Felicia said, walked us through step by step. We were very comfortable with how everything looked, and that really played a big role in our decision to go with Istueta.
Once we signed the contract with Istueta, right away things were starting to go. We right away got our permit. Right away the project manager came. I mean, it all happened within like a week. Getting the permit approved, having the project manager come out and give us a detailed, outline of what's gonna happen next. And then within days we had people here, we had the dump truck here, they were started tearing down. I would say that our roof was complete within a week from when they started and to the end. The whole process of when the roof was being demolished and then they were starting to repair the wood and everything, I was being walked through the whole thing. It was like almost like if I was on top of the roof, because the project manager was showing me pictures, he was walking me through everything step by step, so I was super happy with that. They kept the area very clean. The guys were super respectful to us. They saw me coming out, they would stop working as I passed to make sure everything was safe. It was just fantastic. Again, I was just very happy with everything. The roof was put on super great.
Just to concur, right? I think the job came out great. The house looks totally modernized. It looks very different than it did before. The whole process just very smooth. Signed the contract, immediately got to action. Very professional, step by step. Project manager walked us through everything and told us everything that was going on, so it was very kind of informative. And ultimately the end result is great, right? Now we're asleep with peace of mind. We know that there aren't going to be any leaks. Overall, very happy.
Our neighbors are also very happy. They were also very impressed with how quick Istueta, did the job, how professional, how good it looks. We've got several compliments in our neighborhood, and I've already referred a couple neighbors to Istueta. I definitely recommend Istueta. They are the best roofing company. You're in great hands with them for sure.